Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer the ownership of a Google Ads account. Alright, let's begin. First, log into the Google Ads account that you want to transfer. Then, go to Admin and select Access and Security. There's no direct button to transfer the account, but you can invite a new user and give them admin access. Once the new user accepts the invitation and becomes an admin, you can log in again and remove yourself. To summarize, add a new user as an admin, let the user accept the invitation, then log in and remove yourself. This process transfers the Google Ads account ownership to the new admin. If you receive an error when adding the new user, go to Security and open Allowed Domains. Add the domain of the email address, save the changes, and try again. After you've invited the user, they will receive an email with the subject, "Accept your invitation to access a Google Ads account." They will need to click the button in the email to accept the invitation. Once they accept, go back to Admin, Access and Security, and you will see two admins, the new admin and yourself. Remove yourself as an admin, and you will no longer have access to the Google Ads account. So that's basically how you can transfer ownership of a Google Ads account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.